Hello everyone, welcome to my first tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Let's begin with the stitch of today. It's called the diamond ridge stitch. It's a lace stitch worked over multiples of 9 plus 2 and it's an 8 row repeat. So go ahead and cast on the number of stitches you'd like to work with. As you can see here, I'm going to purl the first edge stitch I'm having here. Then I'm going to bring the yarn to the back and I'm going to knit the next 2 stitches. Then I'm bringing it to the front and I'm going to purl the next 7 stitches. It's going to be repeated on every wrong side of the work, which is our odd number of rows. Okay. Then I'm going to bring the yarn to the back and knitting the next 2 stitches. Then I'm going to bring it to the front and I'm going to purl the next stitch. Those are my salvage stitches, the first and last. Then on row 2, I'm going to slip the first stitch as if to knit. Then I'm bringing the yarn to the front and I'm purling the next 2 stitches. Okay. And we're going to knit the next 2 stitches together, those 2. Knitting those 2 stitches together, you're going to create the right leaning decrease. Then I'm knitting the next one. And if you're an English style knitter, which is knitting with your right hand, this is how you yarn over. You're bringing the yarn to the front as if you're going to purl, but you're not going to purl. You're just going to knit the next stitch. This creates our lace stitch. Then we're going to knit the next one. And there are multiple ways of SSK, and this is the one that I chose. By slipping the first one and knitting the next one, and passing the slit stitch, this one, over the other one that we have just knitted right now. Bringing the yarn to the front and I'm purling the next 2 stitches. I'm going to see you on row 4. On row 4, I'm also going to slip the edge stitch. And I'm purling the next 2 stitches. Oops. Then again, I'm bringing it to the back and knitting the next 2 stitches together. But this is how it looks like after the first 3 rows. Those 2, we're going to knit them together. Then I'm going to yarn over and knit the next 3 stitches. Then SSK. And this is how it looks like right now after finishing the row 5. Now we get to the row 6. We're gonna purl the next 2 stitches. Then we're gonna knit one. Then we're gonna yarn over. We're gonna SSK this time. Passing the slip stitch over. The knitting one. Then we're gonna knit two together. Then yarning over, then knitting one. Bringing the yarn to the front and furling the next two stitches. That's how it looks like on row 7. And now we're gonna move to row 8. Slipping the first one. Then bringing the yarn to the front and purling the next two stitches. Bringing the yarn to the back, and then we're going to knit the next two stitches. I yarn over. Then this is where it gets tricky. We're gonna slip the first one as if to knit. Then we're gonna knit those two stitches together. Then passing the slipped stitch, this one, right over the knitted stitch. Now it creates a diamond shape. Then a yarn over. Then we're going to knit the next two. Bringing the yarn to the front and purling the next two. That's how it looks like after 8 rows. Thank you for watching.